Whether you liked Emily in Paris or not, I think we can all agree that her outfits, she definitely wears outfits. So Emily in Paris is a new Netflix series that just premiered, and it stars Lily Collins as the title character, Emily Cooper. She's an American. She moves to Paris for a marketing job. In the show, Paris is portrayed as a wonderful city filled with fashion, fine dining, seduction, and French people who unrealistically speak French to each other just for the sake of us Anglophones watching.
Dominique, I wish you wouldn't show the costume. They're not ready.
Oh, Pierre, oh la la, they're more than ready. The Elephant Ballet. The team here from Savoie was just saying so, n'est-ce pas?
Oh, yes.
I'm not crazy about Emily's outfits. I definitely prefer Sylvie and Camille's outfits, and even some of Mindy's. I just feel like Emily just spent a lot of money on a bunch of different statement pieces and put them all together at once. Like, it feels very 2012 Gossip Girl, if you know what I mean. But I decided to pick 3 of my favorite looks from the show, specifically Emily's looks, and recreate them using only SHEIN clothes. Side note, no shoes or bags will be included in these recreations because my pockets just like literally are just not that deep. So enjoy, and please keep watching because I need the money. So this I'm laughing because I look so frumpy, but that's besides the point. So this blazer and skirt comes in a set for $25, and then this beret was $9. I actually put this on maybe like 10 minutes ago before I started recording, and I just couldn't stop laughing. First of all, it looks like borderline offensive. Is this what French people actually look like? Like, no. It's definitely what like an American, and this is like kind of how it is in the show, like the American like view of what a French person may look like. I feel like all that's missing from this outfit is like a baguette, a croissant, a little, you know? If you watch Emily in Paris, you know they're like kind of like obsessed with stereotypes and cliches, so yeah, maybe that's just what they're going for. It definitely doesn't fit the way that it should fit, or at least the way Lily Collins wears hers. Obviously hers is like $700. If you really wanted to make this work, you would have to like kind of tailor it a little bit for your like body. I feel like a penguin. I don't I don't know what else to say. I spent so much money on this video, so I'm gonna pull through. I'm gonna pull. Okay, this next look is my take on her little preppy Chanel office attire. So this wrap, like tweed button-up kind of skirt, it is a skirt, was $19. And this cardigan was $27, which is a little bit more on the pricey side when it comes to SHEIN. But the quality is there, I guess. It's not like the best. I mean, it's alright. Honestly, all my clothes are cheap, so I have nothing to compare it to. So the sweater was actually a one size fits all, which is, to be honest, like a bunch of BS, because this is not one size fits all. This size just so happens to fit me, but I don't think it would fit anybody else. This skirt, on the other hand, is size small, and it fits me like really, really well. It does have some, you know, some room, you know, if I'm gonna go get some like nice French cuisine. I won't be like bursting at the seams, so that's really nice. I actually really like this. It's not my style, because obviously my style, as y'all know, is sweatpants and pajamas, truly, and hoodies. And this is a little bit like preppy for me, but if I had to go out and like look good, I'd probably wear this. Not gonna lie, it's actually, I really like it. It's a little bit more casual than she has in the show. She's a little bit more like tailored and put together, but you know, this is like cute for like school, like if you still go to school. Sorry, I am so insensitive. I just realized that everybody is going to online school. But yeah, you can wear this to your Zoom meetings, you know, it's cool. I don't really love the sleeves. I mean, I like the idea behind like these baggy sleeves, but when I put my arms down, I just look like I have like really weird like bingo wing arms, and I'm just like not about that. But you know, I think if it was like really fitting, it just, oh actually that looks a lot nicer if it was actually fitting. Anyway, I can't fix everything, I know. So I didn't realize that she wears a bucket hat and a trench coat kind of like when she's arriving at the office. So I got this bucket hat. Oh, this looks so stupid. Oh my god. Hold on. There is no shape to this hat, so she's, you know, she needs a little help. Her original hat that she wears in the show is from Burberry. This hat was $9 from SHEIN, so don't expect to look the same. I can't. This is so big. Doesn't look like cute and dainty like it does on her.
Bucket hat, wait! Stop calling me bucket hat!
Okay, wait. Give me like 2 seconds.
No.
This is insane. I'm sorry. No. This isn't at all like the jacket that she has, but this is like one that I just happen to own. Her original one is from Zara, so it's a little bit more, you know what? I'm looking at myself and I look like I just like dipped into somebody's Halloween stuff, so I'm not, just forget it. Forget it. I hope this next one is half as good. I feel like this one's kind of the most normal so far, so we shall see. This is the final outfit. It's probably, I don't know how I feel about this. This is definitely not my style. It's definitely more complicated than I would have ever dressed myself as. Like I never layer pieces together. I like the outfit in the show. Like I like how tailored and put together and like fancy she looks. Like she kind of has that like French girl aesthetic and not the beret and baguette, like, you know, the French girl aesthetic, like the actual thing. This blazer was $34, which again is pretty steep for SHEIN. Usually you get stuff for like mad cheap. The quality isn't like super bad. It kind of just feels like a scarf material. It's super warm. I think it's kind of cute. I guess I just wouldn't wear it alongside the rest of these pieces. I feel like these pieces would look good separately. And this ruffle top was $23. These bleach high-rise jeans were $29. Do I think they're worth $29? Absolutely not. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it has this weird like shaping here. And maybe that's my fault for not being like anatomically ideal for this type of jeans, because maybe they're like looking for a little bit of a hip. It almost looks clowny to me, and that doesn't, like, the whole ruffle shirt like doesn't help. But like this is such a weird like why is it cut like that, you know? This looks so ugly. Also, side note, my legs feel sticky under these jeans. I literally feel chemicals on these jeans and I can't wait to get out of them. I hate it. Just kidding. Actually, it's not that bad. I think I'm just like way out of my comfort zone at this point that like I have no idea. Like I look in the mirror and I'm like, who is that girl? Like, who is that girl I see? Like, I don't know her. If I were to wear this out, I would definitely switch out the jeans for maybe like a pair of black jeans or maybe something just really dark, because I feel like this combination with the red and the blue and the white, it just looks kind of clownish. I don't know. Maybe it's like just the fact that it doesn't really fit me right. Yeah, these are disgusting. But will I wear them again? Absolutely. I paid for these clothes and I'm gonna keep them and I'm gonna wear them. Even if like this video doesn't get any views or any like AdSense, I need to wear these pieces out to make them worth my dollar, okay? Oh, and also, she comes down, in the scene that she like wears this, she like comes down wearing sunglasses because, you know, she's like, okay, first of all, these sunglasses are bomb. Second of all, they smell so much of chemicals that I feel like I'm gonna pass out just wearing them. I'm literally trying to get out of these clothes and I'm getting lightheaded. Like, if I die. Okay, so I'm back in my favorite one. I really like this outfit actually. I think they work together, and I think these two pieces work separately as well. And I would definitely wear this out. I don't know about the other pieces, to be honest. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that gingham blazer and skirt set. Maybe I can wear that separately, but anyway. Obviously, I kind of chose kind of the more low-key outfits. I guess I just kind of chose them subconsciously because everything else kind of scared me. But let me know, should I like do this again with another store, like a thrift store or like Forever 21 or whatever store you guys can think of that's preferably on the cheaper side, because you know I definitely won't get enough money from this video to pay off what I just spent. Anyway, that's a whole different video. Did you like Emily in Paris? Do you know any French people, and were they offended by this show? I do know a French person and I will be asking them how they feel about Emily in Paris. It's kind of like Gossip Girl, where it's like trash and cliche, but like you just can't stop watching it. It's like one of those. Thanks for watching, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I like literally people say like, oh, do more calls to action because that'll improve your like analytics. I cringe so hard if I'd be like,
hi guys, so da-da-da-da. Yes, I did that. And you would do it too for a check. I was an employee. And I was gonna get employee of the month. And that's on period.
you know what I mean? Like, it's a lot for me. I don't have that much energy. I don't drink coffee anymore. Maybe that's why. I'm just like, after this, I'm gonna take off my makeup and go to bed. So let's just end it here. Bye.